Good morning and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Monday and it's around 8 a.m. I am making Luca and Leo's breakfast. I took Alex to the bus stop, so he's on his way to school now, and then we're going to take the two littles to school. It's starting to get chilly outside. It's around like 56 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really nice. I love the cold. George and we both love the cold, so we're excited that it's starting to cool down. But I decided to start a new weekly vlog. We have a lot of things to do this week. I have to get the house ready because we have some friends coming over next week from the US. They're going to come visit us, so we're going to get the house ready, buy a few house things so that they're comfortable while they're visiting. So, all right. If you're new to my channel, my name's Allie. My family of 5 just moved from the US to Spain. I am a flight attendant. However, I am currently on leave right now, so I'm not flying. And I just decided to take some time off. That way I'm able to settle into a new country. But I would love to have you. I am showing our life in Spain now and showing how we have transitioned to a new life. So I'd love to have you. So make sure to subscribe on any social media platforms. I'm very active there as well. So, all right, let's get this day started and let's see what this swing brings us. All right, just dropped off the boys. We're going to a coffee shop now. That way we were both able to get some work done. And then we're gonna go home because I have to film some stuff for a brand. And just pretty much wait until the boys have to get off to school. I feel like the views will never get old. We've been here for 4 months and I still can't get over the views. Like I look around sometimes and I'm like, I can't believe we live here. From picking up the boys from school. I stopped by the grocery store because I needed to get some stuff, and I had stopped by Zara Home earlier because I needed to get some more forks, and we somehow always run out of the little spoons, so I got some of those too, and forks. But I'm about to make some lunch right now. I'm going to make steak bites, garlic butter steak bites. That's what I'm going to make. So you want to get a bowl and some steak bites, or you can just get steak and then cut it up yourself. Drizzle some olive oil, some minced garlic. I add a lot of garlic because we like garlic here. You're gonna need some salt, a little bit of pepper, and then some sort of steak seasoning. I just use this one that's just from the store and it says meat seasoning. Then you're just going to mix. And now you're just going to cook them on both sides. Once it's cooked on both sides, you're going to add some butter and then just cook it all together. It is the next day. George just left to take the boys to school. I'm having a cup of coffee, second cup of coffee actually, and it is 9 a.m. I am staying home because I have so much housework to do, and I'm gonna do like the deep, tedious, detailed things, like even vacuuming the mattresses. Like that's how deep I want to get into cleaning today. And I'm just going to be doing something like that every single day. I just really feel like I need to get this house in order. One of the things about getting this apartment was that it was fully furnished, so I feel like I have to constantly be cleaning. We deep cleaned before we moved in, but I still feel like I have to constantly be cleaning just for peace of mind, just because everything is used, you know. But I'm going to clean the mattresses. I'm washing our sheets. And today I'm going to do mine and the kids, and then tomorrow I'm going to do Alex's, and just little by little get this house deep clean. lot later. It is 7 o'clock and I have a nail appointment at 7:30, so I'm gonna go get my nails done and have some time to myself. It's been a busy day. I have been cleaning. I completely forgot to turn on the camera because I got really into it. And I actually had to bring in the sheets because it started to rain, so I had to bring everything in. And I'm still trying to figure out how to use the dryer because it's one of those like condensed dryers. I have to figure out how it works and stuff. So if you have any tips, let me know. Good morning, it is the next day. I just dropped off Luca at school. I am on my way to run a few errands. I'm gonna have to find something to do because I'm going to Primark and Primark doesn't open till 10 and it is around 9 a.m. So I have to try and take the long route so that I'm able to not just wait around. It's a little chilly today and it's raining. So I'm waiting for the bus right now to come. Just got off bus number 1. I have to get on one more bus and this is the longer bus. It takes like 25 minutes to get to the mall, so it should be open by the time I get there. Okay, just got off the bus. I'm getting to the mall. It opens in about 2 minutes. I had to stop by the tobacco store to get some rides on my card, but I'm also going to Primark because I need to get a few house things like towels and just like little things since we have guests coming, and then also get the boys some jackets because it's starting to get cold and I just want them to have more because they don't really have that many, since obviously coming from Florida it wasn't really that cold. And I'm just getting them at Primark because they grow out of them so fast and they're just so rough on their clothes. Seriously, if you guys saw it, every time they come home from school they have been through it because they like play and do all sorts of things. So all right, let's go to the mall. We don't have an IKEA close to where we live, but they have like a show place here, and I feel like you can buy like small things. You can't really buy like furniture and stuff like that, but I'm gonna stop by and see if I can find some stuff. Okay, I didn't find anything, but time to focus on what we came here for. Kids room. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I got 2 bags. I got some slippers because I really needed some new ones. The ones that I got recently, they just got all messed up. I got some pillowcases and then 2 of these bath towels. So I'm going to wash them and then hang them up. It stopped raining, so I can do that now. Actually, I have to wash the boys' clothes first. Anyway, I got some hangers because I feel like we always need hangers, and it wasn't bad. It was $3.50 for 10 of these. Then I got George 2 long sleeve shirts, and then I got Alex a sweatshirt, another sweatshirt, another hoodie. He's into hoodies right now. And then another sweatshirt for Alex. So I ended up getting him 3. Some socks for the little ones, like some long socks just because it's starting to get cold. Some beanies because I don't know if I brought the ones from the US here. I don't remember. I have to look through things and see if I brought theirs and mine as well. And then I bought myself this sweater. So that's it. I'm going to put this stuff away and start getting some stuff done around the house. I only have about like a couple hours until I have to go pick up Luca. So anyway, that's it for the haul. I'm also going to end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.